Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day of Stranded Deep Shenanigans with Talos Principal 9. Alright, Talos Principal 9 is me on Xbox One, so you can follow me there sometimes when I go live playing other games. Alright, so, in your absence, I have gathered a lot of wood, as you can see. Alright? Oh, and some tarps, which is great. And here's my little shack. And here's all this wood in here. So, I've been a little busy off camera. I haven't built anything onto the hut or anything else. Like this boat that I was going to show you last time. Oh man, I cannot run. Yeah, I need water. So, I think I was going to show you this boat last time, but didn't get around to it. This is what I started on. Nice little raft. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a houseboat instead of a little house on this island. Because I think it would be more beneficial instead of going to each island and then bringing the supplies back here and then like working with the supplies here. So I think that's what I need to do. Oh crap, wait a minute. I don't have this. And I'm going to need that. So, as you might have known, I need a crude axe. I made this bad boy right here, this refined pickaxe. It's great. If you get a chance to make it, I really, really suggest you make it early game. Because, if you don't, you're gonna just keep scavenging all the shore on all the islands for rocks every time your stuff breaks. So with this, you could go up to one of those rock deposits and mine the rocks. And I think I got 7 rocks last time out of 1. So it's pretty nifty. It's pretty good for doing that. Oh look! Our bird snare is actually catching birds as well. You have to place them next to where birds land though. Otherwise it will not work. See, I thought I didn't place it close enough. And I watched it for a little bit. And I was like, oh no, it's not working. No, what should I do? Dang, I dropped that. So, oh, I know what I need to do. I need to put this in my inventory. There we go. Now I have freed up space. At least one freed up space. So we're going to drop this bird. Alright, now we're going to come over here. And we are going to build this craft. I'm going to walk it all the way over here. And we're going to attach it to the other part of this craft. Now, this is going to be a ship. Like, it's going to be ginormous. Alright, so is that attached to it? Yes. Yes, it is. Sweet. Alright. Alright, then we're going to do it again. How much rope do I have? I got one more thing of rope, so we'll do it one more time. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put... I don't know if I have enough. I don't have enough. How many do I have? I need 4. Dang it. Okay. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 1 more. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to build one more bottom. And I think I'm going to put it on the outside on the other side. Yeah. I think I'll do it like that. So I have kind of a... Oh. Okay. I guess we'll just put it right here then. Oh. And what I'm going to do is push it just a little bit. Oh, no, 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 no. Not all the way. Come on now. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah, right there. Right there. Alright. So, I'm going to get the other metal, and I'll put it on there as well. I don't know if I should do metal. It might be way too heavy. I'm not sure if that's a thing. So, I guess we'll find out. I'll put the metal on there. And, we'll see how it goes. Let's see. We'll get this one. This one. This one. And this one. We'll leave all the wood over here. Alright, good. We'll have metal flooring. Man, I really wish I could run. So, I think that would be the best way to go about this game, is building a houseboat and putting all your supplies on the houseboat so you can easily get your supplies, and you just go up to the land, and you can even build an area for your containers to like stay in too. So hopefully after a while I could possibly build a wall on here. I'm not sure if that's a thing. I really am not. But I'm gonna have to build a rudder. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this 4 long and 2 wide. I think that's what we'll do. 4 long, 2 wide. Yeah. So what do I need for a sail? I need 6 rocks for an anchor and 4 rope and 1 stick. For a rudder, I need 1 cloth, 2 sticks, 1 rope. And for a boat motor, do I have all this? Let's see. I got duct tape, vehicle engine part, vehicle filter part, vehicle fuel part, vehicle electronic part. That's the only one I don't have. Yep. Well, can I build a wall on there? Let's see real quick. Huddle all the way over here. Let's see. I don't have enough. Oh well. Alright, so guess what I'll do is I'll break this down some more. That was 4. And 1 more. There we go. What all do I have? Oh, I must be getting hungry. Nope. I'm getting thirsty though. Alright. Mosey on back over here. Hiya! Alright. So, let's see here. Nope, I'm in the wrong thing. Go here. Go here. Go here. Alright, so I can't build a wall. What if I build a platform? No? Huh, okay. So, I can't build a platform. I mean a wall. That kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. It hurt my feelings. Look, I like how the water just dries up in that spot too. That's very realistic. I like that. I didn't know if any of y'all noticed it. Alright. So, we're going to work. Just a few more. There we go. All right, let's see. What do we have here? We got enough to build another thing. Oh crap! I don't have enough rope though. We'll just drop this off right here. I need rope. Dadgummit. Okay. So, I wonder what coconut actually tastes like. Like, straight from the coconut itself. Like, not nothing store-bought. Just straight from the coconut. I wonder if it tastes like that is store-bought. Let's see, how are y'all doing on water? You're good. You're good. Alright. There we go. And then we're just going to drop the antidote up in here. Alright. So now I got 2 antidotes just in case some shady stuff goes down. Do I not have enough? I thought I saw one. Yeah, there it is. Woo! Bless me. Oh, I hurt my neck when I sneezed. Like, oh my god, my neck hurts. Oh, why? Why did it have to be like this? Oh man. Oh, these seagulls. Have enough to make rope now? Yes. There I go. Oh, one more. I think I can make one more thing of rope. Let's see. There's one. Alright. Oh, wrong thing. There we go. Alright, now I have 4 things of rope. So I guess what we will do is we will use all this rope. I really need to stay out of the sun. It's hurting me. It's hurting. I'm getting a sun blister. See there? The SPF is up a lot. Oh look, a storm is rolling in. Hopefully. Am I getting hungry? I am getting hungry. I don't know if I'm hungry enough to eat what I got though. Wait a minute. No, come back. Okay. Alright. I can't... I guess it's a storm coming this way? It might just be over in that general area. If so, that's pretty realistic and I don't like it. It needs to refill all of my stuff over here. I also would like to find some buoys because I need to make a fishing rod. A fishing pole, that would be great to make. Alright, so... Okay, it's looking like I might have to push this out. No! Don't go too far. Alright. Okay, good. Maybe I need to start bringing these sticks back closer over there. That's what I need to do. So, it's 14 sticks. And some rope. To build this raft. And I will make it too long. It has to be too long. I mean too wide. And 4 long. There we go. Uh-huh. Look at there. It's kind of sturdy. It might hold up in some of these winds now. I wonder if I could put the main raft like right smack dab in the middle. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that. So we're gonna make a few more. You know, I'm almost certain I could probably get more sticks out of this in real life. What do I have too much of? Oh, dadgummit. Alright, yeah, that's one thing I need to do. I need to find a pig so I can get more leather so I can make another spot for a tool that I can carry without it being in my backpack. Because that is irritating. It really is. Alright, so I have enough. No. No. There we go. Alright. Now, when I did start this game, it was randomly generated, or not random, I think it was the actual game storyline islands, if I am not mistaken. So, I just can't wait to figure out what the story is. As you can see right here, we've got 2 stories. We got these, and my current craftsman level is 5. So that bird is still there. We hadn't caught another one. I guess it's because I'm over here running around. Let's see. Dadgum, the day went by quick. I think the days go by faster than the nights on this game. I really do. Wow. It got dark fast. I guess now I can go and take a... go and rest. So I'm tired. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Just go to sleep till the morning. And sleep. Yeah, boy. Alright. Yeah, there we go. See, I got my strength back that I can run now. Maybe I can get a few more things done. See, look there. You see how fast the sun comes up? It's just like ridiculous. It's like, whoa, hold on now. slow down. Give me some type of daylight. But if we're being honest with ourselves, it's kind of easier to build stuff at night because that sun isn't really beating down on you, causing you to lose water. Alright, so we're going to just drop this one as well. Alright, what are we going to do? What is this? A wood shelf? No, we're not going to make no wood shelf. We ain't make no wood shelf. Come on now. When you make this. How many do I have? Yeah, I thought I had enough. Dadgummit. Stupid game. Made me build like 7 over. Oh no. No you don't. And where you think you go? Huh? Where you think you going? Alright, so we're just gonna put that right there. And then we're gonna pull this back over here. Come on now. Come on now. There we go. Come on. Come on. Right there. Alright. I got one more I gotta build. One more. How many is that? 10? Shoot. Ooh. It's not what I wanted. There we go. Alright, now I have enough. Alright. Look at that daggum thing. It's just floating off. I need to make an anchor. I really hope that both of these are like almost the same buoyancy. Like the wood and the ball, the buoys. I really hope they're the same buoyancy. Because otherwise it's just gonna really suck. We'll find out real quick. Alright, let's see here. I'm going ahead and just drop this so I can carry a little bit extra. What we're going to do now is we're going to get some of this wood that's in here and we'll place it on the top of those other ones. So just keep going until I'm full on all the wood. Alright, there we go. I need water? Need water! 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 Need water. It'd help if I didn't run, but for, hey, kill switch is on and he invited me. Alright, I'll get with you in 1 second, man. I need water. Okay, there we go. Alright, this is one thing I have a problem with on Xbox, is when I come over here to get water, you have to look at it in a certain area to even be able to get water. But I think I've gotten enough out of it. Ooh, I'm hungry. So we're gonna eat this meat. Oh no! Oh no, it was spoiled. No. It did, however, give me a little bit of food, but it took my water down a little bit. Yeah. Dang. One needs a coconut. Where's a coconut when you need one? It's a coconut. Anyway, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna finish this up real quick. Hiya! Hiya! Alright, so now what we're going to do here is plank raft floors. Yes. We're gonna do this one. And then we're gonna do that one. And then this. And then this one. Sweet. Alright, look at there. The boat is coming along. How much do I have left out of this? Alright, so now let's see what I need to make a anchor. Oh, we'll make the rudder for right now. Alright, so I need 2 sticks, a cloth, and 1 rope. Sounds reasonable. I'll just come over here and just place the rest of this wood over here by my little hut. This wood I might actually just use now over here. Alright, so I need 2 sticks. I'm sorry, little pine tree, but you're needed. Alright, so I got 2 sticks. Now we're on our way to making rope. See, this is another thing I have a problem with. Guys, if you're watching this and you know the makers of this, like the developers, please tell them to watch how they place stuff in here, because I can't get all of those. Like they disappeared into the rocks. So hopefully with time, as they continue to develop this game on Xbox, because on PlayStation, I mean not PlayStation, on PC, they've pretty much got it down pat on PC. Alright, so I got the rope, and now I need 1 cloth. I think I got a cloth over here. I do? Oh, look at that. Alright, so I need to make a rudder. So I guess I have to be near the boat when I make the rudder. Alright, here's the major thing. Don't want to put it... How am I going to steer this? Like, do I want it in the middle here? Because there's 2. It's not really a middle. Maybe I should have built 5. That way I had a middle. Dadgummit. Yes. Alright, that's what we're going to do. Okay. We're going to build 5 long. 5 long. I'm sorry. But it's going to bother me if I don't. Okay. Yes. So we'll have to build 5 long. And then we'll put the rudder in the middle. That way it's kind of balanced. If you get what I'm saying. Whenever we're steering. So hopefully I will have enough wood here to do that. I'm just gonna go on ahead and make sticks out of all of these. Let's see. Maybe I don't have to make sticks out of all of them. What? Okay, I thought so. I was like, what? Alright. So. Okay. Almost done. Is that stick sticking up? I need to find water. Well, okay, no duh. Alright. So, pull you over here. Alright. I have 9. 9 sticks. Great. I'll be 1 short. So I guess... There we go. I guess I'll have to bust this one up then. Alright. Shoot! I need I need rope. 1, 2, 3. Oh, potatoes! I didn't know I had potatoes on this island. That's nice to know. And 4. And I should have enough. Yep, there we go. Whoa, wait a minute. There's sticks over here. Where's the other one? Oh well. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. That bird, I do not want it to go to waste. So I might have to cook it here in a second. Hopefully it won't go to waste. Alright, there we go. It's my last one. And then I'll put the... Oh, got the hiccups. I'll put the platform on here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, gotcha. So now... It's a lot of running back and forth. I do apologize. And again, guys, if you like what you see, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. Because, I mean... We're just having fun. That's all we're doing. We're just having fun with this game. Trying to figure it out. So I know there's a lot of other people out there with some good content. Oh, look at there. My other buddy's messaging me. Alright, so as soon as I get this up and running, I'm going to hop off. I'm going to see what the guys are up to. They probably want to play some... Oh, look at that shark right there. They probably want to play some... Dadgummit. Warzone. That's what it is. Alright, so now I can make the rudder. No, I can't. I need I need rope. Damn it. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm coming. Just give me 1 second. I need stuff to make rope. I'm running out of rope material. Oh, there's the other stick. Let's see. Yeah, move this. There might be one up under here. That done grew back. Oh my god. How many of these do I have? Oh, yep, there is one. Get it and pull. Thank you. Where are you, little guy? There you are. Can I make rope? Yes. Alright. Now, we can make the rudder. Woo! And then on the next episode, we will make the anchor and a... Alright, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So right here. Here we go, guys. We're gonna make the rudder. Oh, I passed it. Yes! Look at how nice that looks. Our boat is coming along. That is great. So now I have to place the Dadgummit, whatchamacallit? The cell, yeah. Have to place the cell right there in the middle next time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on Talos Principal 9 on Xbox, on Mixer. And please subscribe and tell your buddies. Alright. Hopefully the content will get better with time. Right now, I'm trying to find some new programs to help spice up some of these videos for you guys. Because I know, believe me, it can be a little boring with no spices. It's just like pale food. It's a little boring. Alright guys, y'all have a good one. God bless.